For hundreds of years, humans have dreamed of living and working in space, a unique environment ripe for exploration, innovation, and scientific discovery. That dream finally became a reality with the International Space Station. Since its inception, the space station has proven the value of research in microgravity, with thousands of experiments flown in a multitude of fields, resulting in high-value products, difficult or impossible to create on Earth. And after 20 years, we're just getting started. Introducing NASA's new initiative, In-Space Production Applications, kickstarting American manufacturing in orbit. NASA and ISS National Laboratory have partnered up to provide a unique opportunity for innovative companies to raise their technological readiness and transform their concepts into viable, cutting-edge products for use back on Earth. Participants will receive funding and mentorship, joining a growing community of space pioneers committed to succeeding in this orbital frontier. And as new commercial space destinations emerge, NASA envisions a vibrant LEO marketplace, where government, academia, and private industry will enable an enduring, self-sustaining economy in space.